Good morning students. This is class 2 mathematics chapter number 1 numbers and numeration. This is our lecture number 8. Today our topics are how to read a number on abacus, relation between ones, tens or hundreds on abacus, 3-digit number reading on abacus. Now our first question is how to read a number on an abacus. So beta, for it there are some rules. We have to follow those rules. So the first rule is the number of beats in the hundreds spike shows the number of hundreds place. Tens spike shows the number of tens place, and ones spike shows the number of ones place. Now we will see how. Here I have one abacus. In this abacus there are 2 beads at ones place, no bead at tens place, and 3 beads are at 100 place. So beta, before this I want to tell you what is the meaning of spike. But a spike means a thin rod of wood or metal. Wood और metal की बहुत पतली सी एक रोड होती है जिसके अंदर हम beads डालते हैं. So here we have 3 places. Okay, ones, tens and 100. So because 2 beads are at ones place, so here I had written 2. There is no bead at tens place, so I had written 0. And 3 beads are there on 100 place, so I had written here 3. So how we can read the number name of it? Ones और tens के place पे जो number होता है उसे हमें इकट्ठे ही बोलना होता है बेटा. So the number name of this abacus is 302. Now relation of ones, tens and hundreds on abacus. See here beta, this is an abacus. Here at ones place there is no bead, so I have written here 0. At tens place there is no bead, so I have written here 0. And at 100 place there is only 1 bead, so we can call it 100. So how we can make the relation of 100 with ones and tens? See here, if you want to know that how many ones are there in a 100, मतलब अगर हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि 100 कितने ones के बराबर है, तो वो होता है 100 ones. Okay, so here we have multiplied 100 by 1. यहाँ पर हमने 100 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आ गया? 100. और in tens form, how we can write it? 10 tens. 10 tens means 10 multiplied by 10, and that is also equal to 100. Or in 100 form, how we will speak? 100 is equal to 1 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 100. See one more example of it. See here in this abacus we have 0 beads at ones place, means no bead. At tens place there is no bead, so we have written 0. And at 100 place there are 2 beads, so we have written 2 here. So now we will see the relation of it. If we want to speak it in hundreds form, how we will speak? 2 hundreds, means 2 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 200. Or in tens form, how we will speak? This is 20 tens, means 2 hundreds is equal to 20 tens. 20 tens means 20 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 200. Or in ones form, how we will speak? This 200s is equal to 200 ones. 200 ones means 200 multiplied by 1, and that is also equal to 200. Now here 300s is equal to, in tens form 30 tens, and in ones form 300 ones. See 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300. 30 multiplied by 10 is equal to 300. And here 300 multiplied by 1, that is also equal to 300. Here we have 400. So how we will speak it hundreds with tens form? 40 tens, and in ones form 400 ones. See, 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. 40 multiplied by 10 is equal to 400, and 400 multiplied by 1 is equal to 400. 5 hundreds is equal to 50 tens, and that is also equal to 500 ones. So here we have multiplied 5 by 100, that is equal to 500. 50 by tens, that is also equal to 500, and 500 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 500. So in this way we can make things like this. 6 hundreds. So in tens form, 6 hundreds is equal to 60 tens, and in ones form it is equal to 600 ones. Now 7 hundreds, that is equal to 70 tens, and that is also equal to 700 ones. Now 8 hundreds is equal to 80 tens and is equal to 800 ones. 9 hundreds is equal to 90 tens is equal to 900 ones. So beta, now you understood that how we can correlate ones and tens with hundreds. अब आप समझ गए? Now 3-digit numbers on abacus. We will learn about 3-digit numbers on abacus. See, here at ones place 4 beats are there. So I have written here 4. At tens place there are 5 beats, and at 100 place there are 3 beats. So how we can read it? What is the number name of this? 354. मैम ने आपको पहले बताया था कि जो वंस और टेंस का नंबर होता है उसे हम इकट्ठे ही बोलते हैं और इकट्ठे ही लिखते हैं. So what is the number name of this? 354. See, in this abacus we have 2 beats, okay, and ones place. 1 beat is at tens place and 4 beats are there at 100 place. So what is the number name of this? 412. 1 2 क्या होता है? 12. So 412. See by another examples. Here in this example there are 7 beats at ones place. There is no beat at tens place, so we have written here 0. And at 100 place there are 8 beats. Okay, so we have written 8. So now what is the number name of this? 807. Now see one more example of it. Here at ones place 3 beats are there. At tens place 6 beats are there. At 100 place 5 beats are there. So what is the number name of this abacus? 563. Now see 2 more examples of it. And this abacus there are 2 beats at ones place, 4 beats at tens place, and 5 beats are at 100 place. So how we can read the number name of it? 542. Now in this there are 3 beats at ones place, 1 beat at tens place, and 2 beats are there on 100 place. So what is the number name of this? 213. 213. Now I want to tell you what is the smallest 4-digit number. So बेटा smallest 4-digit number जानने के लिए सबसे पहले मैं आपको बहुत ही आसान तरीका बताती हूँ. Earlier I told you that 9 is the greatest 1-digit number, and when we add 1 to greatest 1-digit number, then we will get the smallest 2-digit number, and that is equal to 10. जब हम 1-digit number जो greatest 1-digit number है उसमें 1 ऐड करते हैं तो हमें smallest 2-digit number मिलता है. Okay, and when we add in greatest 2-digit number, when we add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, we will get smallest 3-digit number. Okay, in the same way beta, when we will add 1 to the greatest 3-digit number, we will get the smallest 4-digit number. Understood? यहाँ पर हमने 9 में 1 ऐड किया तो हमें क्या मिला? स्मॉलेस्ट 2-digit नंबर. 99 2-digit का हमारा ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है, इसमें 1 ऐड किया तो हमें स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर मिला है. और 999 में जब हमने 1 ऐड किया तो हमें क्या मिला? 1000. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Now we will see it by an abacus. See here, at 1's place there are 9 beats, at 10's place there are 9 beats, and at 100 place there are 9 beats. So we have to add 1. Okay, so when we add 1 to 999, here 1's place 0, 10's place 0, and 100 place also 0. And here we have introducing a new place, and that is 1000. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So here we have only 1 beat at 1000 place. Now today's homework, learn and write number names from 1 to 10 in your fair notebook. Beta, side by side we will learn number names. So you have to learn and write number names from 1 to 10 in your fair notebook. Now the homework solution of lecture number 7. I had given you table of 4 twice. So all of you speak with me, table of 4. Let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 4 tens are 40. Thank you.